Hey guys, check this out. There is a face on Mars in a Gigapan photo. Can you see the face right here? Kind of remarkable. Let's zoom out. It looks like a face of a child. Perhaps the child died and this is a monument to the child, and it's looking out from the heel on Mars. Curiosity Sol 1087. Now the face is right over here. We'll zoom back in, take another look at it. That's as close as I can get, but you can see the eyes, the nose, the curly hair, the fat little cheeks, the chin, and the mouth. Kind of awesome. Just wanted to share that with you. It's incredible proof that ancient aliens did once exist on Mars. I love how it's looking out from the hillside, like they were buried on the hillside and they want to look out over the horizon every day. Okay, guys, it's Gussie Waring, UFO Sightings Daily. Like and subscribe.